Hello guys, welcome again to Crypto Reader. We'll be now discussing about a game, but it's not really a game. It's actually an app that can make you money. It's called the Mission app. It has so many earning options, like spin the wheel, watch ads, and when you watch the ad, finish the ad, and then you get a coin. You might get two, you might get three, depending on which one it landed on. And then there is the math quiz. Just answer some couple questions, and then you watch ad again to get coins, or maybe scratch a card and discover. Points usually doesn't go over 4 or 5 points for ad, but they are worth. The promo code, you can get enter a promo code from their channel if they ever posted one. For the rewards, there are many withdrawal options. You can withdraw to PayPal, Pay, Binance, Payeer, RTM, Faucet Pay, Google Play Store. You can get a gift card to be delivered into your email. Free Fire, if you ever play Free Fire, put your ID and then you get diamonds. Vodafone Cash, mobile transfer. Orange Cash, Isalat Cash, PUBG Mobile, if you ever play PUBG. Stay Bank, Berry Mob, yes, even Berry Mob. So even for Algerians or anyone that cannot maybe even have a card or anything else, they can just transfer their funds into Berry Mob. It's easy. You can, but the minimum is quite a lot, anyways. The internet is weak now, but anyways, you know the deal. Check the app yourself. There is a lot of options that you can withdraw on. You can even increase your YouTube views. You can maybe even do a mobile transfer. There's Uridu, GZ, or Willis. It's written here, GZ, not GZ. BMC, Timo gift card. Yes, you can now buy from online shops. Just enter. Check the options you have. There's $30 and $50. Usually, no one can reach that. $30 or $50 by watching just ads is a lot. But there are a lot of withdrawal options. They recently added the Bybit in here, so you can withdraw to even your Binance wallet or Bybit wallet or even Redus Pay. You can read an article and get a coin. But I'm sorry for my internet, but anyways, read the article for a few seconds and then you get your coins right there. But you have to watch ads regardless. You can watch YouTube videos. Yes. You can just keep entering like this. It'll show you. There are a lot of hot offers. And you can watch reels too on Instagram. And you get a coin. You have to watch ads regardless. You can grow your channels. You have an Instagram channel, put your ID, your URL, and then you can boost your videos. Even for YouTube. I did the same with one of my videos. I just bought a VIP for maybe 500 coins, which you can get in the first day. You can get more than that in the first day. And it's me get up to 10,000 views. Well, I'm targeting Algeria in this for this ad because I'm from Algeria. But it's nonsense. You can buy diamonds to promote your stuff. You can promote your website if you want, if you have a website or maybe just a custom ad. You can upgrade your membership too. Upgrading your membership gonna benefit you in the long run if you use the app daily. Okay, you get more tasks, get more diamonds, you get fast redeem approvals. Yes, fast, and a lot of other things. The game itself is the app itself is kind of good, but you don't have really much ads to watch. They keep adjusting the total. Sometimes it's 20. It was 500 before. Then it's become 50. and 20 and 40. You keep changing this shit. You can get streaker every day when you complete certain tasks. But my guy, you are putting here that you need to watch maybe up to 18 ads by spinning the wheel. And you are putting 20 here. How can I even reach that? You cannot. You cannot. You can do a prediction here by betting on which team the twins and you get more coins. But I do not recommend gambling anyways, it's haram. So don't do it. And that's it. You can also get coins by referring people or having a streak and being in the leaderboard. Yes, just by being in the leaderboard you can get coins. Or by betting, but I still don't recommend you betting. You already lost a lot by betting. Invite people to get more coins. Your friend gets coins. You don't get points until they redeem, and you automatically receive your 300 coin referral bonus in your wallet. And they need to put this referral code. Shows in here. Have a friend code, unlock your reward. Put this code here. Put their code in. I'd be glad if you put my code too. But anyways, the rewards are unlock at one invite. You get 100 coin, 15. You get 1,000, 50, 5,000, and so on. In the inventory, you can see your rewards. I've withdrawn many times. I always withdraw to Faucet Pay because I use Faucet Pay, you know. Can use withdraw to others, but I like Faucet Pay more because it has no fees. I've withdrawn too many times. In 3 August, 4th August, 9th, 11th, 21, which is recently to be honest because it's yesterday. Yes. I did 0.20 USDT. It's not much, but if you have a huge referral network and you're always on the leaderboard and you complete your ad tasks, there are games tasks too. You know, there's offers. There's a lot of ways to earn coins from. You can just treat it as an experience, you know. Since they keep changing their shit, it might just stop paying in the future, you know. But you know, just take your chances now. Do not use more than 2 devices with one account. Follow the rules so you don't get banned. Just play it fairly, you know, just like everyone else. You can delete your account if you want, log out if you want. Get a refund maybe if you paid for it. That's it, you know. Do your best, get coins, try to redeem. You can redeem now, you know. Just put my email. I just choose this one. It says put your email, no fees. And then you see it delivered in your Faucet Pay or any other wallet. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.